Introducing my new Picture Mounts plugin for Photoshop. Hello and welcome. With this powerful tool you have the freedom to create your own unique photo mounts design or choose from 29 pre-designed templates bundled inside of the plugin. Finding your created mounts is a breeze using the built-in fast search feature. And for even more convenience, you can mark your favourite mounts and then quickly access them with a dedicated search filter. With the Edit dialog window, you have full control over every aspect of your photo mount design. Add independent corners, unique edges, texture patterns, and even a drop shadow to make your photos stand out. For those extra special projects, add up to 9 individual mounts to a single image. Once you have perfected your design, save it, apply it to your photographs, export it so you can share it amongst family and friends.